Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice vapor blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a backup camera, roof spoiler, we got some nice blue and black accents along this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start as well, and moving to the front here, we do get that lovely Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with the powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. We do get a hook, a 12-volt. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. You do get your storage underneath your spare tire, which is all pretty handy. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of legroom and seating for up to 5. Adjustable rear seats with plenty of door space. You got a carpet interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 69,745 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, photography screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To memory, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start. We got our cup holders with storage and outlets. You even get your center console with tons of storage, dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hazards with your media controls, storage below. And looking here, we have our audio, compass, phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. You can see who's been previously connected. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We got our settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8118, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.